Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take middle names in Excel. First, select the column containing the full names. Navigate to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon, then click Text to Columns. Choose Delimited and click Next. Select Space as your delimiter. You'll see a preview of your data being split into separate columns. Click Next and then Finish to complete the process, effectively separating the first, middle, and last names into distinct columns. For more dynamic extraction, especially when data isn't perfectly consistent, formulas are your best friend. We'll combine the find, mid, and len functions. First, use find to locate the position of the first space. Then, find the second space. The mid function will then extract the characters starting from one position after the first space for a length determined by the difference between the second and first space positions, -1. This method offers greater flexibility and automation for your spreadsheets. Not all names follow a simple first, middle, last structure. Some individuals may not have a middle name, or they might have multiple middle names or initials. To handle these variations, you can embed an if error function around your formula to display a blank or a specific indicator if no middle name is found. For multiple middle names, the formula might need slight adjustments to capture all parts between the first and last name, ensuring comprehensive data extraction. Beyond formulas, Excel offers other powerful tools. Flash Fill, introduced in recent versions, can intelligently recognize patterns and extract middle names with just a few examples. For highly complex or large datasets, Power Query provides robust capabilities for data cleaning and transformation, allowing you to define precise steps for extracting and structuring your names. Mastering these methods will significantly enhance your data handling skills in Excel, making name extraction a straightforward task.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.